we will discuss about ribosome structure in bacteria. This is the E. coli bacteria. This is the cytosol of E. coli bacteria. The E. coli cytosol contains many ribosomes. Their number is more than or equal to 15,000. They account for almost a quarter of the dry weight of the cell. This is the structure of a bacterial ribosome. The bacterial ribosome is generally 70S type. It contains two subunits like the larger subunit 50S subunit and the smaller subunit known as 30S subunit. S stands for Sedberg's unit. The relative molecular mass of a bacterial ribosome is 2.7 into 10 to the power 6. The bacterial ribosome is a ribozyme. The diameter of bacterial ribosome is about 18 nm or 18 nanometer. The 70S ribosome contains 65% rRNA or ribosomal RNA and 35% protein. The rRNAs acts as primary element in the ribosome, but the proteins act as secondary element in the 70S ribosome. At least one large rRNA is present in the 70S ribosome. The 70S ribosome in the bacteria has a cleft. Through this cleft, the mRNA passes during translation. There is no protein within 18 angstrom degree of the active site for peptide bond formation in the 70S ribosome. Under appropriate experimental conditions, the rRNA and protein spontaneously reassemble to form 30S or 50S subunits. The 57 proteins in the bacterial ribosomes vary enormously in size and structure. The molecular weights of these 57 proteins ranges from about 6,000 to 75,000. Most of the proteins in the 70S ribosome have globular domains arranged on the ribosome surface. Some proteins in the 70S ribosomes have snake-like extensions that protrude into the rRNA core of the ribosome, stabilizing its structure. This is the structure of 50S subunit. It is considered as the larger subunit of 70S ribosome. The relative molecular mass of 50S subunit is 1.8 into 10 to the power 6. The 5S rRNA present in the 50S ribosome has 120 nucleotides. The 23S rRNA present in the 50S subunit of 70S ribosome has 3,200 nucleotides. There are 36 proteins present in the 50S subunit. This is the structure of 30S subunit. It is considered as the smaller subunit of 70S ribosome present in the bacteria. The relative molecular mass of 30S subunit is 0.9 into 10 to the power 6. The 16S rRNA present in the 30S subunit has 1,540 nucleotides. The 30S subunit contains 21 proteins. Now, let us discuss about eukaryotic ribosome. Eukaryotic ribosomes are present in the cytosol of the cell. This is the structure of eukaryotic ribosome and it is generally 80S. The 80S ribosome has two subunits like 40S subunit and 60S subunit. This is the 40S subunit and this is the 60S subunit. The relative molecular mass of 80S ribosome of eukaryotic cell is 4.2 into 10 to the power 6. The diameter of 80S ribosome is about 23 nm or 23 nanometer. Two subunits of the ribosomes in the eukaryotes vary in size among species. The ribosomes of the mitochondria and chloroplasts are somewhat smaller and simpler than the bacterial ribosomes. This is the secondary structure of 5S rRNA. This 5S rRNA is present in the 50S subunit. This 5S rRNA contains intra-chain base pairing. These are the intra-chain base pairing. This is the structure of 60S subunit. It is considered as the larger subunit of 80S ribosome. It contains 5S rRNA. This 5S rRNA has 120 nucleotides. It also contains 28S rRNA. The 28S rRNA has 4,700 nucleotides. It also contains 5.8S rRNA. The 5.8S rRNA contains 160 nucleotides. The 60S subunit contains about 49 proteins. This is the structure of 40S subunit of 80S ribosome. It is considered as the smaller subunit. The relative molecular mass of 40S subunit is 1.4 into 10 to the power 6. 18S rRNA contains 1900 nucleotides. The 40S ribosomal subunit contains about 33 proteins. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and like.